Hey guys, Tyler here. I am an optician for SportRx and I want to talk to you about base curve or lens curvature as it's more generically known and why it might affect your frame choice. And just so you know, we have some more killer eyeglass and sunglass content. If you subscribe, you're going to get access to all of that. So that's a good idea. And if you have any questions, leave it down below. We're happy to answer any questions that you might have, or if there's anything that I didn't answer in this video. So let's just jump right into it. Base curve, like I referenced earlier, is the term that we use when we're referring to lens curvature. It impacts the prescription. There are definitely some prescriptions that can or cannot handle certain base curves. And the reason that you might want something that is more curved is because it gives you a little more protection. Anytime someone talks about a wrapped frame or a wrapped lens, it's referring to more curvature. Obviously, it's wrapping around your eyes a little more, gives you more peripheral vision coverage as well as vision. But if you have a strong prescription, that can cause complications because your prescription all the way out there, it gets thicker and it just becomes an optical issue. That sometimes people call fishbowl effect or just wrap distortion is what it really is. But I have examples here, and your typical eyeglass frame is almost always going to be pretty flat. It's hard to find an eyeglass frame, and you can usually discern an eyeglass frame from it being installed with clear lenses most of the time. So this is usually going to be something around more of like a 4 base. You might even find a 2 base. And that number matters. Where the lower the number is, the flatter it is. The higher the number is, the more curved it is. And so in this case, we have here a little handy dandy lens clock, which helps us to determine lens curvature. We have about a 4 base here on this guy. And I already measured this one. This is about an 8 base, so it's a more typical sunglass wrapped frame. And 8 base is kind of your standard curvature. It is a little more RX friendly. You can still do prescriptions in an 8 base. Can handle even some strong prescriptions depending on the brand that you're working with and what kind of lens options there are and what kind of lens features you're getting. And then you have something like a true wrap, as some people will call it. And this is more of like a 10 base, 9 to 10 base, which is very curved. And these you cannot do in prescription almost at all. There are some ways around that, but for the most part, just if you see a frame that has a single shield across it, expect it to most likely not be available in prescription. But outside of coverage and protection, it could just be cosmetic. Some people just like the look of a more wrapped frame or just more lens, more curvature. It does tend to be more sport related. More sport frames that you're looking out there are going to be more curved. Just because of that protection and that additional peripheral vision that you get. So hopefully I covered everything. If not, let me know down below. Thanks for watching.